Hey, this is Arlene. So, I put in a work order because my fan doesn't work. So, this is a remote for the fan. So, when you press on it, nothing. The light is on, and nothing happens to the fan. And then when you turn it on, nothing happens. So now when I came home today, the air conditioning is broken. And this is open like this. So I know there's wiring back in there, but I don't know if that's supposed to be exposed or not. So anyways, that's what happened. Let me see on the outside. I have no lighting back here, so I don't see anywhere. Could be tampered with, except that's been opened before. See this? It's loose. So somebody could have done something. Great, yeah. I don't think so though. Anyways, I don't think this is just a freak accident. Something happened. So anyways, I just wanted to share it.